Good morning, dear student of class 6. Dear student, this is the chapter 9 and part second. यह part second है. Dear student, I was teaching you characteristics of living things and non-living things both in detail. Dear student, I have taught you 5 characteristics of living things. Here we have 6th characteristics, excretion. So as I student told to you about characteristics, all the living things take food. The living thing use this food to obtain energy by the process of respiration. जैसा मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, the process of respiration produce carbon dioxide gas as the waste material. प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन क्यों होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए वेस्ट मटेरियल के रूप. मोर ओवर ऑल द फूड ईटन बाय ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नॉट यूज कम्प्लीटली. यानी जो भी भोजन हम एनिमल्स के द्वारा लिविंग के द्वारा खाया जाता है वो कम्प्लीटली यूज नहीं होता. अ पार्ट ऑफ फूड टेकन बाय ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रिमेन अनयूज्ड. बाकी जो है अनयूज्ड रहता है. अनयूज्ड पार्ट ऑफ फूड आल्सो बिकम ए वेस्ट मटेरियल. अनयूज्ड पार्ट जो होता है वह भी वेस्ट मटेरियल बन जाता है और उसका यूज़ नहीं होता. दस द लिविंग थिंग प्रोड्यूस सम वेस्ट मटेरियल इन देयर बॉडीज ड्यूरिंग द वेरियस लाइफ प्रोसेस. मैनी ऑफ दीज वेस्ट मटेरियल आर पॉइजनस टू अस लिविंग टू द लिविंग थिंग्स, सो दे हैव टू रिमूव्ड. इसलिए उनको रिमूव करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Removal of waste substance from the body of a living organism is called excretion. All the living things get rid of waste from inside themselves, which they do not want, जिसको वे नहीं चाहते हैं. Important waste substance which are produced in the body of animals are carbon dioxide, urea and feces. The unwanted water is also considered a waste. Animals give out carbon dioxide when they breathe out used air. The animals give out urea, unwanted water and other salt in form of urine. यूरिन यानी पेशाब के रूप में उसको बाहर कर देते हैं. Animals give out solid waste. कुछ solid waste भी निकलते हैं their bodies in form of feces मल के रूप में. The process of excretion in a cow is shown in figure. Some harmful or poisonous waste material are also produced in plant. So plant also excrete. इसलिए plant भी excrete करते हैं. Excretion in plant means removal of waste product in plants. Plant remove their waste product by the different method. अलग अलग मेथड से वो remove करते हैं. इसको हम जानेंगे. Some of the important plant waste and method by which given below. The main waste product by plant are carbon dioxide during the respiration and oxygen during the photosynthesis. During the daytime, the waste product carbon dioxide is reused by plant in making food by photosynthesis. At night time, the plant get rid of the waste carbon dioxide through the stomata and the leaves. और रात के समय में जब वो उससे छुटकारा पा लेते हैं, उसको रिड्यूस कर लेते हैं. रात के समय में पौधे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सहेल करते हैं और इनहेल करते हैं ऑक्सीजन. द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑक्सीजन इज आल्सो रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट थ्रू द स्टोमेटा इन देयर लीव्स. सम प्लांट स्टोर सम ऑफ देयर वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इन बॉडी पार्ट लाइक लीव्स, bark and fruit in a way that they do not harm the plant as a whole. The plant get rid of this waste by the shedding of leaves, पत्तियों को गिराकर, peeling of bark को छीलकर, felling of fruits etc. Some of plants remove their waste product as secretion. For example, Plants secrete a large number of waste products like gum, resin, latex. These plant waste are useful to whom? And non-living things do not excrete. And here is another characteristics of living things: reproduction. The process by which living organisms produce new member of their species is called reproduction. All living things reproduce themselves. Mode of reproduction in different animals are different. अलग अलग मोड्स होते हैं रिप्रोडक्शन के अलग अलग एनिमल्स में. Some animals reproduce by giving birth to their young ones, whereas some animals reproduce their young ones through the eggs. For example, human beings reproduce by giving birth to their babies, and animals such as dog, cat, cow, horse, deer, lion also reproduce by giving birth. Right? Animals like bird, fish reproduce through the eggs. Birds lay eggs which on hatching produce young ones. The birds such as hen, pigeon, sparrow, crow, parrot, duck and ostrich etc. lay eggs. When these eggs are hatched, जब ये eggs hatched होते हैं, young ones comes out of these eggs. The hatching of a chicken from the egg of a hen is shown in figure. You can see here. Plant also reproduce to give new. Like animals, plant also have a different mode of reproduction. Common method of reproduction in plant are given below. Many plants reproduce through the seeds. Many plants reproduce seeds when the seeds are sown in moist soil. The seed germinate, grow into a new plant. Most of common crop plants such as wheat, corn, paddy, Bengal gram, etc. are reproduced or grown through their seeds. Some plants reproduce through plants other than seeds. Parts can be tubers or cutting. Some plants reproduce through tubers. जैसे potato grow via tubers. Some plant reproduce through the cutting. Cutting के द्वारा भी कुछ पौधे reproduce करते हैं. A small part of plant which is removed by making cut with a sharp knife is called cutting. Cutting may be a piece of stem, root, or even a leaf. Should be made in such a way that are some buds on it. In this method, a cutting of the existing plants having some buds on it is taken and its lower part is buried in the moist soil. After few days, कुछ दिनों के बाद, the cutting develops. Cutting जो होता है वो develop करता है, grow into a new plants. एक नए पौधे में grow हो जाता है. Reproduction is essential for survival of a species on this earth. Reproduction आवश्यक होता है धरती पर प्रजातियों के सर्वाइवल के लिए. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस. जितने भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं वे रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं हो सकते हैं. जैसे अ रॉक इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स विच कैन नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस देयर यंग वंस. Another characteristics of living things have a definite life span. एक जीवन अवधि होती है, एक फिक्स जीवन अवधि होती है. जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स हैं उनके पास एकदम फिक्स लाइफ स्पैन होता है. All the living things start their lives when they are born, or babies are hatched from eggs, grow from seed. These living things grow into adult, remain alive for a certain time, finally die. No living things remain alive forever. Different kinds of living things remain alive. All the living things have a definite lifespan. For example, man has an average lifespan of 60 to 70 years. This means that average duration of life of man on this earth is 60 to 70 years. Different living things have different lifespan. For example, a tortoise is more than 100 years, just as in case of animals. The case of seed की बात करें तो living things may show all the characteristics that we have discussed. However, is not always true. Sometimes living things may not show all the general characteristics of living things. Here, let us take the case of seed, wheat seed. Now, wheat seed are living things, but they do not show the most characteristics of living things. The only characteristics of living things shown by the wheat seed is respiration, right? And देखो सभी seed are a living things because they undergo respiration. यहाँ पे देखिए लिविंग थिंग्स और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के बीच में डिफरेंसेस हैं जो आप जान चुके हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स